Are you a music lover? And you want to sing alone or together with your friends? Then check this out. So let's unbox first. This is Smart Portable Karaoke Speaker K52. You have two options to purchase, either two microphones or one. Then you have color options pink, white, and blue, but I choose milk white. So inside the box is this manual with English and Chinese language. I may say that nowadays the standard charging cable is now a Type-C port. Actually, it has only one piece of cable free, and we need 3 pieces of Type-C cable because we have 3 devices that must be charged. It's just a minor problem, because we can use our smartphone's cable that supports 5 volts and 2 ampere input capacity. If you watch my video, the K12 karaoke speaker, they have identical microphones. But this one is the updated version, because my K12 has a lot of issues. So this are the functions, and later I will show to you how this buttons works. This oblong-shaped design speaker which the light affects is around the body. Unlike with my K12, the light is in the front side only. The speaker weighs only 326 grams, while the microphone weighs 59 grams only. So carrying this wherever you go is not an issue at all. Light and compact whenever or wherever you and your friends want, then this is manageable. So the buttons were placed bottom sides, then at the back is ports where you can charge or use the SD cards and use AUX port. So at the top, the speaker was placed. Just one advice before using, try to fully charge it first. Sometimes the batteries are fully drained. Then we thought there's a problem with the device. When charging, the red light indicator appears, and if it is full, the red light disappears. So now let's familiarize the buttons.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
So this is the button for light choices. When it's turn on, the default color is this RGB music rhythm light effects, which means that the light will blink and change the light together with the music rhythm. Then press again, you will have the RGB light effect. It is the same like the light of the music rhythm effect, but this time it is no longer blinking or follow the music rhythm. Then press again, you will have an auto-changing color. Or if you don't want the automatic changing light color, you can have also manually, depending upon the color of your choice. Then this negative button serves as decrease volume key by doing short press. Then by doing long press, you are taking previous track. And the plus sign serves as an increasing the volume by doing short press, and by doing long press, you are selecting the next track or song. And the M button serves as a modes using either the Bluetooth or using the SD card. Then check this sample of the speaker sound. Is this enough for you? function is just to hear your original voice more
Original sound
clearly.
on.
But even if it is turn off, there's no difference at all.
Original sound off.
And if you do long press, this will turn off
会
the
响音
microphone.
量调节，麦克风音量
Did
调
you hear that
节。
voiceover? Well, for me, that function is not useful at all. Better don't use it. But the good thing with that button,
Voice
when you do
2.
short press, you can choose voice effects, and these are the samples.
Hello.
Voice 4.
Hello. Hello.
Voice 3.
Hello.
Hello.
Voice 5.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Original voice.
Hello. Hello.
Isn't it great? Well, that voice effects will be used depending upon your mood. Overall, this karaoke is acceptable considering the price and the functionality of the device. Then I tested using the karaoke function. It takes 3 hours in my usage before battery gets drained, but the microphone takes only 1 hour and 30 minutes usage. Then I used only the speaker and listening to music, and it takes 2.5 hours of usage. Unlike with my K12 that every 10 minutes it turn off automatically. Well, this K52, I don't have any issue at all.
Low battery. Power off.
So now it's charging time. Let's check how much battery capacity per device. In the manual, it doesn't indicate the battery capacity, so let's check in our own. As you notice when charging the device, the light indicator is present, and it's color red. I'm using 5 volts and 2 ampere travel adapter. And just a reminder, if you think my test was wrong, your comments is highly appreciated. And now it is fully charged, and the reading battery capacity test was 640 milliampere hour. Well, considering that I'm using it for 3 hours, so I guess it's okay though. And in my test, it takes me only 1.5 hours charging to get fully charged. But in the manual, it says it takes 3 to 4 hours charging. And did you notice the red light no longer present? Same as the speaker, when it is fully charged, the red light indicator is no longer present. And the reading of my battery test is only 49 milliampere hour. Well, I used it for almost an hour, so I guess it is okay. So purchasing with 2 microphones is better, so that when one microphone is run out of battery, then you have extra. Well, all I can say, the endurance of the battery life, it's okay, but not that great. I may say it's enough to enjoy this device. So that's it. If there's something is lacking in this video, you may leave a comment below. And if you are satisfied, please do like it. Your support is a great help. Thanks for watching.
Power off.